This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. This lesson is part of both the Express course and Course C. In the Express course, it's Lesson 26. In Course C, it's Lesson 12. Build a Flappy Game, Puzzle 7. Click the down arrow inside the Flap a Normal Amount block to pick a different flapping power? What? Okay. See if you can still score a point after making Flappy flap either a small or large amount each time you click. Oh, I get it. Nope, wrong one. Flap. So click the down arrow, that's right here. Oh, I'm going to do random. See if you can still score a point making flap either a small or large amount each time you click. Alright. Oh, nope. Didn't score a point. Let's try again. I wonder how fast I'll be now. Ah! Okay. What if I just do small? Is that easier? Oh, barely not easy enough. Woo! That took forever. Awesome. Let's keep going.